Hi, today I'm going to show you how to run logistic regression using RegressionPal. So for this, I want to know which cell features mostly strongly predict whether a tumor is malignant. So our Y is diagnosis, and X are radius mean, concavity, texture, surface, and symmetry. So we'll choose cancer data. Then we'll upload it. For analysis type, we'll choose logistic because we have two binary variables. And with RegressionPal, it will also show you of the variables. So we'll see radius mean, concavity, symmetry. Wait a minute. Maybe I already missed it. Let's double check. Oh, there you are. Smoothness and texture. So for reference category, it's going to be B. Okay, that's fine. Then we'll click Analyze. What you'll see next is a data quality assessment dashboard. It'll show you the overview, so double check, outliers, missing data, distributions, and then the correlation matrix. It looks fine. And with recommendations is important, and we'll show you if you have outliers, etc. So here we're just gonna choose Windsorize for all our outliers, because this is just an example. Okay, and then continue to data preview. With data preview, will show you warning. Sometimes it will turn red if you really have to fix it. So amazing data, model fit, linearity of the logic. So here, consider transforming for flagged. We'll see. Let's just apply polynomial transformation. Okay, we'll follow. We don't want to remove influential observations. Okay, continue, and this is now the final. So it'll take your final data and it will analyze it. Let's just wait for it to load. And there you have it. On this screen, please remember this is a report and summary should not be copied directly. Please paraphrase, add your context and interpretation because this is not done by AI. So here you'll get, for if you're a free user, all of the coefficient table, all of the assumptions, and the rest are just snippets, and you can click download complete results. And in that folder, you will see all the plots, the report, scripts, tables. Okay, what's important here is the analysis report. We model diagnosis as a function of radius mean. Then you will see assumptions, the predictor formula, the results. Okay, that's correct. And the summary of the results. So all of them seems to be so all of them are significant. So basically what it's saying is the higher all these features are, the higher the odds of it being malignant, the diagnosis to be malignant. And you'll see the coefficients, a standardized coefficient table, your descriptive stats, classification stats, and you'll also see later on the raw ones. I'm not sure when you're gonna use it for, but all of that are included there. And then your plots, the diagnostic plots, ROC curve, calibration plots, and all of the other plots that are related to logistic regression. You can always change them, because if you don't like the color, if you want to adjust, you can. There is a R script, and if you click on the R script, it will show you the script that was used to generate your results. So you'll see the required packages. Okay, we'll just go through them. And then, as I said, you have here your plots. You can always adjust them. That's it. And if you want to run another one, just click App.